Hey guys, we have an Army Green 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road 4x4 that's in for a king suspension lift. You're definitely in for a treat today if you're into the new 3rd Gen Tundras. First off, thanks for tuning in again today here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We welcome you to our shop out here in Baldwin Park in Southern California to see a few of the Tundra builds that we've done. We're doing the King 2.5 coilovers on this Tundra that we're adjusting to about 3 inches of lift. These come standard with finned remote reservoirs for both front and rear. In the front end, we're going to pair up the front shocks with a set of cambered kinetic billet uniball upper control arms. These arms increase wheel travel, allows you to correct your camber and caster that goes wacko after a lift, and eliminates the weak factory ball joints that your stock UCAs come with. These arms also come with larger and stronger FK 7/8 inch chromoly heim joints for additional camber and caster adjustment as needed. Camber is a premium product that we truly stand behind, and they are proudly made in the USA. We're gaining about 1.5 inches of lift in the rear by adding a set of Old Man Emu medium load lift springs. We stock the 2-inch lift springs also for those that plan to carry a bit more constant weight in the bed. 88 Rotors has been in business since 2004. We specialize in off-road and overland truck builds these days, but our roots go back to the car game. We love seeing our supporters from nearly 2 decades ago that used to come in with their tricked out cars now coming in with trucks with their car seats in the back. For those that have been with us since day one, we genuinely thank you for the continued support through the years. And if you're new to 88 and new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're pretty much a big happy family here, and we work hard to bring you the content that you desire. Subscribing and supporting us this way means a lot to us, and it won't cost you a penny. So here you have it, suspension has been installed. Once again, for those that want to write it down, here's the King 2.5 suspension setup. They come with the remote finned reservoirs with compression adjusters, front cambered billet, aluminum uniball upper control arms. The rear gets the 2.5 inch King shocks with remote finned reservoirs with compression adjusters and Old Man Emu lift springs. And not to confuse anybody, 2.5 or 2.5 shocks means the shock diameter, not the shock height, which I know a lot of people always get confused about and ask us about. As you just saw also, our techs are modifying the front fender liner to properly clear the 35-inch tires that we're about to install. Our techs are seen here mounting and balancing a set of 4 Method MR305 wheels. These are a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. The hybrid tire of choice here is the Toyota Open Country RT in a 35 12.5 17. Next up is this Lunar Rock TRD Off-Road 4x4 2023 Toyota Tundra. This bad boy is in for a Westcott Designs setup. We're keeping the factory red Bilstein shocks that the TRD Off-Road 4x4 comes with and lifting it by adding the Westcott Preload collar and top shim in the front. This kit also comes with the front bump stop spacer that's going to be installed as well. The rear gets a coil spacer and a shock spacer, which is to be used with the stock red Tokiko shocks. We are a stocking dealer for Westcott Designs and many other name brand products. We have pallets of Kings in stock and a shelf full of Westcott setups for all models of the 2022 and newer Tundras. If you're local to us and don't want to wait, we're definitely your go-to spot that has it all in stock and ready to rock. Next up, we have this beautiful solar octane Tundra TRD Pro that's coming in for a Westcott Designs lift kit and 35-inch Toyota Open Country AT3 tires. We're going to be mounting the tires on the factory BBS TRD Pro wheels. We don't know why or what causes them to lean, but these TRD Pros are inconsistent from one another. Some have a 1/2 inch lean from left to right, so we have to measure all of them as they come in. If there's a lean from factory, we compensate by using a 1-inch coil spacer on one side and a 1.5 inch coil spacer on the other. If they are within the threshold of 3/8 of an inch in difference, then we just leave it alone and install 1-inch rear coil spacers on both sides. Westcott thought ahead and made their kits specifically for both types, which makes it a lot easier for us. We do stock both versions at all times, so if you don't know what to order and just want to bring it in for us to figure out, you're more than welcome to. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. With the new Westcott Design setup installed and the 35 12.5 18 Toyota Open Country AT3s mounted and balanced on the factory BBS wheels, we're ready to bring it out for a quick test drive. Are you guys a fan of this color, Solar Octane? I feel like we have some big fans of it and some that just can't stand the color. I personally like it. What do you think? Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. We aren't finished just yet. We still have a handful of 2022 and newer Tundras coming right up for you guys to enjoy. Here's another Lunar Rock Tundra TRD Pro that's getting the Westcott Designs lift kit. Over on the other rack, we have an Army Green Tundra with AVS suspension. We're installing the Westcott Designs lift on this one also. Wheel and tire of choice for this one are the black Rhino chambers in a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset in a matte black finish. We're slapping on a set of BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires in a 35 12.5 17. With the Westcott lift installed on this one, there's very minimal modifications needed to clear the wheel and tire spec chosen here. There's absolutely no cutting or trimming needed here. We just move the bracket that's not necessary and push the fender liners back to keep it looking OEM still. This Tundra TRD Pro is ready for the rollout. The Westcott Designs lift kit has been installed. We're pretty much wrapping up this project right here also. Westcott setup has been installed with the black Rhino chambers and the KO2 35-inch tires. Next up, we have another brand new Tundra TRD Pro in white. This one's going with a Westcott Designs lift kit to retain the factory Fox TRD Pro suspension. We also installed a set of KMC impacts in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. Tire of choice here are the 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have a sweet, glossy as heck looking black Tundra Platinum. I love how black trucks look, but I just don't have the time to keep black looking good. They sure are nice, but so hard to keep clean. This Platinum model is in for a Westcott Designs lift kit. We usually install 17s and 18s on the Tundra, but the owner of this one decided to go with something a little bit more flashy. He's also about that dub life, so we're throwing on some 20 by 9 plus 20 offset Feel sledge wheels in a chrome finish. These are a chrome-plated wheel that definitely grabs your attention. For the tires on this one, the owner decided to go with some 295/60/20 Toyo Open Country AT3s. That's pretty much equivalent to a 34-inch tire, but by calculation, it's actually a 33.94-inch by 11.61-inch width tire. So did we save the best for last? Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. This is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. We greatly appreciate you guys stopping on by and checking us out. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, guys.